welcome back to the Not Just Sawdust workshop. This time I'm going to make a little window seat. It's going to be 110 on the back side, this is the back, and 120 on the front because the window has a little bit of an angle. I'm going to have to make it out of leftovers from the library project, and this is going to be in the library. And the only thing is that it's going to be on a platform that's 12 centimeters high. That means that the legs on the front need to be 12 centimeters longer. So I don't have that much wood left, so I'm going to figure out how to do it the best way with the materials I've got. And I've decided to make a little box that is the base, and then legs on the front and removable legs from the back, so that whenever you want to put it somewhere else there's still room to put it. So, but it's gonna take some figuring out. Well, let's just get on with it. This might seem a little bit rough, but yeah, I just need to use the wood that I've got, so when they're a bit bent or whatever, a few screws doesn't fit, and this will get a bracket underneath so it's flat. So this will be the seat, and then we're just gonna dress it up nicely, and it's gonna be painted white, so I can use different kinds of wood. That it's not really important. So I can use some old reclaimed stuff that I've got laying around. I think this will be strong enough for a bench. So that's the base. Now this approach would be completely different if this wasn't going to be painted. but like the library, it's gonna have like 3 coats of base paint and then a few coats of white, so it's gonna be completely painted and I can fill holes and everything I want to do. Although most of the holes, the screw holes, won't be visible anymore because there's all going to be nice little trims around it. But now it's time to figure out the back, and I've got maximum of 57 centimeters because there is a window, of course, so you can't have that too big. So let's try that. Well, it's beginning to look like something. So after a lot of sanding, a bit of filling, so I have to sand a lot more, but I had to come up with a solution for the back legs. And as I said, the front legs are going to be on the floor and the back of the seat is going to be on a ridge that is inside the window area, and that would mean that you could never put it somewhere else because of that 12 centimeter difference. So what I came up with is I've got the legs upside down in here, and just to get them out I just need to take out these 2 pins, pull it out, turn it upside down, pull it back in, and put the pins in. Now, of course, instead of these 2 pins you could put in 2 screws when it really needs to be stable, but this will hold anyway. And this way you can, whenever it's necessary, put it just on a normal floor. I think that's a good solution. But for now let's do some more sanding. This is the hardest part, to make it look a bit older. So when you sand down a bit of a butt in here, just a little bit, and then it looks like it's a bit older. So once it's painted, it'll actually look like a little old bench. That's the whole idea. After getting sawdust out of my clothes, my hair, out of my nose, and a good night of sleep, I'm now on my way to deliver the little window seat. And I think this video is long enough, so I'll try to make some footage of the library and show you that in the next video. So for now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.